Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I'm your English teacher of class 1. So, this is your new NCERT English Marigold book for class 1. So, today we are going to read Unit 2 and chapter number 4, The Bubble, the Straw and the Shoe. So, children, open your textbook, page number 21. Okay, so this is very funny story, very interesting story. The bubble, the straw and the shoe. And who wrote this story? Alexei Tolstoy. Alexei Tolstoy, he was a Russian writer. Okay, he wrote the story, he written this story. Okay, now let's start. So listen and enjoy this story. Once upon a time there lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. So children, this story is about three friends and their name were the bubble, the straw and the shoe. As you can see there are three friends. It is bubble, here is straw and it is shoe. Okay, next, one day they went into the forest. So one day they were passing through a forest. There were three friends which name were the bubble, the straw and the shoe, and they were passing through a forest. They came to a river. They did not know how to cross it. So they came to near a river. There is a river and they didn't know how to cross it. So the shoe said, "Bubble, let's float on you." So finally they decided to cross the river, and shoe said to bubble, "Let us float on you." Next page 22. No, shoe, let straw stretch himself from one bank to the other, then we can cross the river. So here the shoe said to bubble कि जो स्ट्रो है, स्ट्रो क्या होती है बच्चों? यस, जो हम जूस पीते हैं, नारियल पानी पीते हैं, जो वो प्लास्टिक की स्ट्रो होती है उसे वो यहाँ पे यूज़ की गई है. ठीक है, ए ड्राई स्टॉक. ओके, सो लेट स्ट्रो स्ट्रेच हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम वन बैंक टू दी अदर, की जो स्ट्रो है उसको खुद को खींचना होगा, खुद को फैलाना होगा एक किनारे से दूसरे किनारे तक. Then we can cross the river. So the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. When the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke. The shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. So here the straw stretched itself from one bank to the other. Shoe tried to cross the river first, but what happened? The shoe landed on the straw and broke it. As you can see, it's broke it. The bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst with the big bang. So what happened? Bubble shook with the laughter and burst in a big round. जो बबल था उसकी हंसी रुकी ही नहीं, वो खिलखिला के हंसने लगा, और जब वो हंसने लगा तो क्या हुआ, वो बस्ट हो गया, वो भी एक बड़े राउंड में। तो आप जानते हो बबल क्या होता है? बबल, हम जो आप च्युइंगम यूज़ करते हो तो उससे भी बबल निकलता है, या जब हम कपड़े वॉश करते हैं तो जो सॉप यूज़ करते हैं तो उससे भी स्ट्रोक बबल्स निकलते हैं। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज वेरी फनी स्टोरी। सो दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट three friends: the bubble, the straw, and the shoe. So what happened one day? One day they were passing through a forest. They came near to a river and they didn't know how to cross it. Finally, what they decided? Finally, they decided to cross the river with the help of straw. Then the straw stretched itself from one bank to the other and shoe tried to cross the river, but the shoe landed on the straw and stroke broke it, and bubble shook with laughter and burst in a big round. So here is the story. Now move to the new words. न्यू वर्ड्स: बैंक। बैंक होता है बच्चों रिवर साइड, जो रिवर की साइड होती है वो बैंक। बबल, बबल मैंने बताई था, जो राउंड होता है, बिग राउंड, जो कि फॉर्म होता है लिक्विड से। बस्ट, बस्ट होता है बच्चों एकदम लाउड से फूटना, जोर से आवाज़ के साथ। क्रॉस, क्रॉस होता है टू पास, गो थ्रू। ओके, रिवर होता है रिवर। नेक्स्ट इज शू, शू होता है फुटवियर। स्प्लैश, स्प्लैश मीन्स what sound of water. Okay, now let's read. I can blow bubbles, I can wear shoes. So now we will know some difficult words. So I have written some words for you children. So let's start. Okay, so these are difficult words. First is bubble. Bubble means a round hollow shaped body formed with liquid. And what is the spelling of bubble? B-U-B-B-L-E, bubble. Okay, next, straw. S-T-R-A-W, straw. Straw means a dry stalk. Shoe, S-H-O-E, shoe. Shoe means the footwear. Forest, F-O-R-E-S-T, forest means a large tract of trees and wild beasts. River, R-I-V-E-R, river. River means a moving water body. Cross, C-R-O-S-S, cross means go through, to pass. Float, to move on water or air. F-L-O-A-T. Stretch, S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch means to make longer, खुद को फैलाना. Bank, B-A-N-K, bank means the side of the river near the land. Splash, S-P-L-A-S-H, a unique sound of water. जो छपाक की आवाज़ आती है ना पानी में, जब हम पानी में हाथ मारते हैं, छप छप करते हैं, छपाक की आवाज़ आती है, उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्प्लैश। लाउड, LOUD, लाउड, अ बिग साउंड। जंप, JUMPED, jumped means fell on. So here your some difficult words, so you have to learn these difficult words. Okay, in our next video we will do questions and their answers. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.